Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this really cute, fun hairstyle that is super easy to do and it will be perfect for the holidays. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. You want to start off by combing out your hair. And I also want to mention that this style is just as easy to do if your hair is curly. I'll actually be posting a video on me doing my daughter's hair. She has the same curly hair that I do, and I'm going to be doing the same hairstyle just so you can get an idea of how it will look if your hair was curly. So I'm starting by doing a deep side part, and I know I need to retouch my hair. It's long overdue, please don't judge me. I will be doing that very soon, but hey, I gotta work with what I got, right? And if you prefer to do your part in the middle, that's totally fine, however you want to do it. I just like to part my hair on the side. So I'm taking this section here and I'm trying to make the part as straight as possible. I'm literally using the camera as my mirror right now, so it's not 100% perfect, but you get the idea. So I'm parting the other side as well, and I'm gonna tie the rest of my hair up in the back just to get it out of the way. And I'm just double checking to make sure the parts are all good. So I'm gonna use rubber bands to tie the back of my hair, and I'm using hairspray instead of gel just to kind of slick it down. You can use gel if you want. I just prefer to use hairspray since my hair is straight and I don't want it to get, hard. So I'm just using a brush to slick it back as much as possible. And I'm going to grab the two sections, and using a rubber band, I'm going to tie it in the back. After I tie it, I'm just going to give it a nice squeeze just to make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and slick. I'm applying a little bit more hairspray, and that is good enough for me. So now I'm taking out the hair tie and putting my hair down. And look at this, y'all. It's totally giving me Britney, okay? If she was African and Puerto Rican, for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to part my hair again, but this time in the middle. And I'm only taking my part to the crown of my head. So kind of like the center of the top of my head. And I'm going down this side. Like I said, I'm using my camera as a mirror, so it's really not perfect. Now I'm going to tie up this section to get it out of the way as I go ahead and part the other section. I'm using my camera here to take a picture just to see if it's somewhat straight. And once I got it to how I want it, I'm going to comb out this section and we're going to be putting it in a ponytail. I'm also taking a tiny section from the top just to lay in the front. That's going to really help to frame my face. Now here I'm trying to get the ponytail as close to the part as I can because I really want it to sit high. Now I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. I first start off by combing it out and sectioning off that little piece in the front. I try to make it the same size as the other piece, And like I said, I really want to get this ponytail close to the part. Now I'm tying it up, and I really have these tied pretty tight. I just really like it to feel secure, but if you're tender-headed, then you can always do it a little looser. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I undid the hair tie that I had in the back to keep my hair out of the way, and now I'm just combing it out again just to make sure everything is good. And you can totally leave it like this if you want. I think it's also a cute style, but I am gonna do a little bit more. So I'm just making sure everything is even, as best as I can at the moment without a mirror. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of twist this side first, and I'm wrapping it up into like a little bun. And instead of using a hair tie, I'm actually using a rubber band that kind of matches the color of my hair to secure that in place. So I wrap up the other side, and I'm securing that also with the rubber band. And there you have it. I'm combing it out, just putting some finishing touches, and I'm all done. So it's pretty easy to do, and it's so cute. I just absolutely love it. And you can also curl your hair after this at this point if you'd like. You can also put bows in front of the buns, which I thought would be a really great idea, and I would totally do it. I didn't have any bows, but that would look so cute, you guys. But there you have it. This is the finished style. I really hope you enjoy it. And I also have a makeup tutorial for this makeup look. If you're interested, I will post that in the description for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.